Hello there! Today, we're diving into the iGarden Pool Cleaner K Pro, a game-changing robotic pool vacuum designed to make your pool maintenance effortless. Imagine a spotless pool without spending hours scrubbing or manually vacuuming. The iGarden K Pro comes packed with smart features that turn pool cleaning into a completely hands-free experience. Powered by a 12-hour runtime on a single charge, this cordless marvel ensures your pool gets a thorough clean in just one session. The smart navigation system allows it to map your in-ground pool, maneuvering efficiently around walls, corners, and ladders while avoiding obstacles. Its touchscreen interface is intuitive, letting you select cleaning modes, schedule automatic cleans, and monitor battery life with ease. The K Pro boasts 200% turbo suction, lifting stubborn debris, leaves, sand, and even fine dirt that traditional cleaners leave behind. Its ultra-fine filtration system captures particles down to microscopic sizes, ensuring water clarity and reducing the need for chemical adjustments. Cleaning the filter is a breeze. Simply remove, rinse, and reinsert. When it's done, the auto parking feature returns the vacuum to its docking station, ready for the next cleaning cycle. Safety and efficiency are top priorities, and the K Pro's design guarantees both. Whether you have a small residential pool or a larger in-ground setup, this vacuum adapts seamlessly, delivering professional-grade results with minimal effort. If you're looking to save time, energy, and money while maintaining a sparkling clean pool, the iGarden Pool Cleaner K Pro is an investment worth making. Don't forget to click the Amazon link below to grab yours today, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest smart tech for your home and garden.